Good day everyone, my name is Angel de Guzman Ramirez from BSHM 303. Welcome to my reflective podcast. Today, I'll be sharing insights from the talk Be Optimistic and Create the Good Future by Jared Leonhard. Jared Leonhard is a futurist and humanist who focuses on the relationship between humanity and technology. In this talk, he challenges us to think about how optimism can shape the future we want to build. His message is clear: technology alone cannot define our future. It must be guided by human values, responsibility, and compassion. Optimism, he says, is not just a mindset but a requirement if we want to create a future that truly serves humanity. The first idea that really struck me from George Leonhard's talk was his warning about a future where we all feel powerless. He said, I don't want to be in a future that looks like this, where we all feel like a turtle lying on our back when we can't do anything because we feel stuck. That image is powerful. It reminds us that every technology controls us. Instead of serving us, we risk losing our ability to act, to decide, and to move forward as humans. The second key idea comes from Kevin Kelly, whom Leonhard referenced. He explained that the deep history of new ideas makes it clear optimism is essential. Believing something is possible is the very first step toward making it real. Without optimism, innovation cannot happen. This shows us that progress isn't just about machines or systems. It begins with human belief and imagination. And the third idea ties everything together. If we want to build a good future, we must first believe it is possible. Optimism isn't just a nice mindset, it's the foundation for change. Leonhard emphasizes that the future we create depends on our ability to imagine it, to trust in it, and to act on it. When I connect George Leonhard's talk to our lesson on humanity versus technology, I see a clear message. Technology must always serve humanity, not replace it. His warning about a future where we feel stuck like a turtle on its back shows the danger of letting machines control our lives instead of empowering us. This connects directly to the idea that human dignity and effort should never be lost in the face of innovation. His second point about optimism being a requirement for new ideas reminds me that progress begins with human imagination. Technology may provide tools, but it is people who dream, believe, and act. Without optimism, there is no innovation, and without humanity, technology has no purpose. Finally, his emphasis on believing in the good future highlights the balance we must keep. Technology can advance rapidly, but it is human values, compassion, responsibility, and tradition that guide it towards serving society. This is the heart of the humanity versus technology lesson. Progress must be balanced with ethics so that innovation uplifts people instead of weakening them. Humanity gives meaning to technology, and optimism ensures that the future we build is not only modern but also humane. Listening to George Leonhard's talk made me realize how optimism is deeply connected to the way we shape our future. His first idea about not wanting to live in a future where we feel stuck, like a turtle lying on our back, reminded me of SDG number 8, decent work and economic growth. Technology should empower workers, not trap them or take away their dignity. If we allow ourselves to become too dependent, we risk losing human effort, which is essential for meaningful progress. The second idea, drawn from Kevin Kelly, reminded me that optimism is the starting point of all progress. Believing something is possible is what drives innovation. Without that belief, nothing new can be created. This made me reflect on my own perspective. If I want to contribute to a better future, I need to believe in the possibility of change, even when challenges like climate change or inequality seem overwhelming. Finally, Leonhard's emphasis on building a good future by first believing it is possible gave me hope. Optimism is not just about being positive, it's about responsibility. It's about choosing to see opportunities rather than obstacles. It's about making sure technology serves humanity instead of replacing it. So, am I optimistic about the future of technology? Yes, I am, but in a positive and cautious way. It's true that technology today can sometimes weaken human effort because results can now come instantly with just a click or even a voice command. That reality is alarming because it shows how easily human work and dignity can be overshadowed. But my optimism comes from believing that technology can be a shoulder of everyone, a support, not a replacement. I want a future where innovation uplifts society, where machine assist us but never erase the human value of effort. For me, optimism means trusting that we can guide technology with responsibility, compassion, and tradition so that progress strengthens humanity instead of weakening it. In the end, I stand optimistic about the future of technology because I believe it can serve as our partner, not our master.